So guys, this is gigabyte.com officially website. Okay, you can see here. First come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see right side the search options. Then you can type your model number, which is B860M Aeron's Pro Wi-Fi 7, and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click to title. Click to support. Then selecting your operating system, Windows 10 and 11, which one. Okay, so I am using Windows 11. So if you are use Windows 10, so installations process same, you can see in this video and you can install easily. Okay, same method. Audio, you can see here audio driver. Then click to download. Wait few seconds, start downloading. Then it is done. Just single click and double click to exe. You can see here. Then yes, this is extract to your system. Now this is installing. So it is done, and close it.